What's up guys, the Rogue Vet coming at you with another video. So I have another couple of interior carbon fiber trim pieces or whatever that you can put in your car. Links will be in the description below if you are interested in them. And yeah, I know I have my little hat on for the GoPro so y'all can kind of see me POV style. But yeah, so hopefully y'all will enjoy this video as I put these in, and if, like I said, if y'all like them, there'll be links down below for y'all to see it. But let's go ahead and get into the action. Alright guys, so what we have here is a engine start and stop button, a different center console, shifter, top bezel, and then some stickers to go onto the sun visor so you don't see the hazards display. It has a little 3M backing so you can apply it just like that. Okay, watch the ice so it gets slip right. Oh, okay, so I'll go ahead and close the door so we can see here. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the area real quick with some alcohol, just to try to get that any dirt or debris or anything on it, and then we'll let that kind of dry for a second. Okay, and then we'll peel off the red backing to allow for this new knob cover to stick. All we do is just place it right on top, and then when you think you have the right spot, which I believe that is it, and you just press down firmly all around the top, the edges, all it. All right, the next one we're going to do here is the engine start stop button. So we're just going to go ahead, we're going to use some alcohol on that. We'll let it let it dry for a second here. And here is the part here. Let's go ahead and take it out. Same exact thing. Has a little 3M backing on it. Just take the white part off of it. There we go. So the backing is off. And that's about it. Alright guys, so the last part we have is we got these right here. These are the sun visor covers. What we'll do, basically what you do is you have the 3M backing, you take off the backing, oh, it's on there pretty good. Okay, there's the backing, really sticky. And then what you do, you place it right over the warning label. And that's pretty much it. Except know where you're gonna place it, because once you do, that's pretty much how it's gonna come out. And then just smooth it out. Whenever your POV vlog-in shot, you won't see that ugly thing. So we'll go over to the other side and do it as well. Throw our trash away. Okay. So same thing applies here. Very sticky. So be careful. Because once you place it, that's pretty much it. Nice little addition to the car if you don't want to see those there. I would say it's definitely worth the money. Alright guys, well that's pretty much all I had for you as far as installs for this video, but more will be coming along the way. There's the finished shifter cover here, and then the start engine stop button right there as well. Hopefully you can see it here, but it's all coming together. All right guys, so there's the finished product right there. I think it came out pretty good. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video and the installs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. I have more videos on the way of more installs coming, so y'all stay tuned. Till next time, peace.